Alright, so this is the Dyson Airstrait straightener. It straightens your hair and blow dries it at the same time. So this is what it looks like. Let's see if I can get this to working really quickly. There is, underneath, there is a clip that opens it up. Oh, this one's not working. I think this one is over here. All right, so this one is working. This is the Airstrait air straightener, and it's showing you right here. Look at that. It says, press the power button for wet hair. So look at that. So it's cleaning it right here. Let's see. Turn the fan speed up on high. I closed it. Now look at that. So this is the cool feature right here. So it's drying it and straightening at the same time. And you have that cold air on it, which prevents damage. You have the heat. You can turn the heat up. That's 175, 230, and up to 285. Let me see if I can do this. So it's heat. So it straightens and air dries at the same time. You have the option of heat. You have the option of how fast you want the fan to go. What is this setting right here? Dry. And you can actually tell it whether your hair is dry or wet. And it adjusts properly with that. I'm going to go ahead. So this is dry. So this is pretty awesome. So this is the Dyson Air Straightener. Blow dryer and straightener at the same time. Pretty cool.